Hi, my name is Keskin, and I'm an upcoming senior at Roger Williams University. I'm double majoring in mechanical engineering and mathematics, and hopefully I'll be graduating in May 2023. This summer, I'm doing research at University of Florida with my work partner and Dr. Eisenstadt as our mentor, and we're working for IoT for Ag, Internet of Things for agriculture. IoT for Ag is a big project covered through multiple schools like Purdue University, University of Pennsylvania, University of Florida, obviously, and University of California, Merced. It's a big team working on this project, and the purpose of this project is to increase food production while minimizing usage of water, chemicals, and energy mainly. And this project, because it's so big, it's divided into multiple sections like thrust 1, 2, and 3, and I'm working on thrust 1 with my group. But don't get me wrong, even within thrust 1, there's multiple different categories that like different groups are working on, and my group is focused on transferring data. Thanks to every other research that's done before us, that like instead of using any device to any other device to transfer data, we're using LoRa, which is short for long distance, which is what we want. Because once we plant, the main goal in general for thrust 1 is we're planting sensors or devices into the field, like miles and miles long like fields, and like we plant these in there, and we want to collect data and send these data to the farmer or like the user, whoever it is. And with LoRa devices, we can put these sensors in and transfer that data with the minimal usage of power, because LoRa can transfer data up to I think 15 kilometers, and it lives up to 10 years because it used so minimal of power. So like this summer, me and my group have been like running different kind of codes, connecting LoRa to like Arduino or Raspberry Pi to see like what works, what we can do, how we can do this, the whole thing. We started with Arduino, where we called one of the LoRa devices as our sender and the other one is the receiver to like send packages, very simple, like easy codes on Arduino. And once we successfully done that, we moved up to Raspberry Pi, where we connected like a monitor, keyboard, and a mouse to Raspberry Pi and see if we could work with these LoRa devices through Raspberry Pi. And we done that. There's more details on our paper. And once that was successful, we tried to add sensors to the devices so it can send not just like regular basic data, as in like just a package of hi or hello. It could just send the sensor data. And that's where we're at right now. And we're kind of officially done. We have our final paper and final presentation due. Then this 10 weeks of program will be over for us. Before I go, I just want to thanks to NSF for funding this project. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Thanks to UF for having us. It's a beautiful campus. I had so much fun being here. And thanks to our mentor, Dr. Eisenstadt, for being our mentor. He's such a great professor. We learned a lot from him, and he helped us a lot through the project. And lastly, I just want to thanks to Mike Nazareth for being our program coordinator and scheduling a bunch of other events outside of the program for us to have fun and network with other RU students. If you're ever thinking about doing RU, any research, I would highly recommend, especially if you're like questioning if you want to go to grad school or not. Doing this project helped me, like I actually do want to go to grad school because I really enjoy doing research and I learned a lot, and it's a great opportunity just to have. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day.